Hey there, so if you have the HL code for your LG thermostat, this is something that you want to do to fix the issue. So first, you want to turn off the setback. So you're going to have the setback right here, press it. Then this should be removed. Then you want to open the door, the small door, and what you want to do then is that when you're going to remove the setback, just pressing one time, then you just want to press and hold the clock button and OK clear button and hold it for about 10 seconds together. That's it. So first you're going to just press the setback one time. It's going to remove the setback text from the panel. And then what you want to do is press and hold the clock button and OK clear. And in this way, you are going to actually fix the issue. So that's it. Super simple. And I hope this video helped you solving the issue with the LG thermostat. And if it does, you can also write down below in the comments that it helped you. I hope it does. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.